Hello my lovely people and welcome back again to another episode of Cooking with Sarah's Kitchen. Na leo guys nimeamua I will be showing you how to make samosa pockets, and stay tuned so that you get to see how I will be making these samosa pockets guys. We have 3 cups of all-purpose flour, and we have cold water, and we have some salt to taste. So guys, stay tuned and kindly subscribe, watch and share, and hope you enjoy this video. We're going to add a half tablespoon of salt to taste, and then we're going to mix them well. And after that guys, we are going to go in with our water, and we keep mixing our dough until fully combined. Yeah. And so we're going to use our hand. And when it comes to samosa guys, you have to use cold water for samosa dough. It is going to help you achieve the dough that you want. We are going to use our surface so that we can make sure our dough is soft and elastic. And guys, after kneading for around 10 minutes, this is what we have. It should be a little bit harder than the chapati one. So the next step, we're going to cut them into smallest pieces. Yeah, so we're going to form this kind of a shape. Yeah, we're going to form this kind of a shape so that we can be able to cut into smallest pieces and equal ones. So we are going to cut them into smallest pieces and also the equal pieces possible. And we are going to try our best guys. I think that one will be enough. And after that, we're going to form a round shape like that. We're going to do the same to the rest of our dough guys. We do like that. And guys, these are my pieces, and so I'm going to set these pieces aside guys. Then I will show you the step by step of how you will be rolling your dough. Yeah, we leave them aside. Yeah, and this is what we are going to do guys. We are going to sprinkle some flour, a little bit of flour. Then we are going to roll our dough. Like that guys. And then we're going to apply a little bit of cooking oil on our dough. just a little bit, because we don't want our dough to slide while rolling. Then we brush all around. And then we're going to set it aside like that. And then we're going to pick another one. We sprinkle flour. And then we repeat the same process. This is what you are working with. And then you are going to stack your dough on top of the other like that. And then from there, guys, you are going to apply a thin layer of cooking oil like this. Make sure you apply to the edges. Like that. And then you're going to set it aside. And then you're going to make sure they align well, you see. Then you're going to press your dough. You can work with 4. Yeah, you can start with 4. And then you press a little bit so that your dough can be uniform. And then, guys, you're going to roll everything. You can sprinkle a little bit of wheat flour. And guys, this is what you are working with. Ignore the shape. We are going to use something that has a round shape like that to achieve the shape that we want. And yeah, like that. So guys, we're going to cut around. We're going to cut a round shape. And make sure you use the sharp knife. And so this is what you're working with, guys. And that's what I'm talking about. So we're going to place it on our pan. Our pan is hot. And again, our pan is very old. That's why it has that color. Yeah, we give it time. Yeah, like that. And so we're going to do this. Then guys, we're going to remove pieces by pieces. You can see. And you have to be careful because it is very, very hot. You have to be careful, guys. This is the other one. And so guys, we are going to cover with a kitchen towel, a clean one, like that one, like that way guys, and then we leave it. And finally guys, this is what you're working with. I'll just transfer to our working area so that I can be able to cut them. And so this is what we are going to do. And so this is what we are going to do. We're going to make sure we cut equally. So we're going to do this. Like that. I'm going to put them that way. Go to this other one. Then we do the same to the rest. And guys, you can see what I was telling you. And you see, so guys, it is as simple as that. These other ones, there are so many. So go try the recipe and let me know in the comment section. And that's it for today. Kindly subscribe, watch and share, and let me know what you think in the comment section. Tell me how you do it, and that's it. And we see you in the next one. I love you guys. Bye.